Today we are going to talk about compound sentences. Why do we need to know about compound sentences, you may ask? Because knowing how to use compound sentences will help us to make our writing more interesting. What is a compound sentence? A compound sentence joins two or more sentences using a comma with a conjunction or no conjunction and just a semicolon. Some of the most commonly used conjunctions include and, but, or, and so. One word of warning though, because is not a conjunction. Therefore, when you see a sentence using the word because, it is probably not a compound sentence. A compound sentence has a very specific structure. Every compound sentence has a complete sentence in front of the conjunction with a subject plus a predicate, then a conjunction, and then a complete sentence after the conjunction with another subject plus a predicate. As you can see with our example, the dog barked at the cat and the cat ran behind the behind the couch. Here we have a subject, the dog, plus a predicate, barked at the cat, and then our conjunction, which is and. Then another subject, the cat, plus a predicate, ran behind the couch. Notice also that we use a comma before our conjunction. So here we have our structure, a subject plus a predicate with a conjunction and then another subject plus a predicate. Another word of warning. Do not confuse a compound subject or a compound predicate for a compound sentence. Some sentences will have two or more subjects in the sentence or two or more predicates in the sentence, but they do not have two complete sentences. For example, this sentence, the dog and the cat ran into the street, has a compound subject. Both the dog and the cat are the subjects of our sentence. But there is only one predicate. Therefore, this is not a compound sentence because there is not a complete subject before the conjunction and a complete subject after the conjunction. Let's take a look at our second example. The dog ran into the street and barked at the car. Here we have just one subject, the dog, but we have two predicates, ran into the street and barked at the car. The dog did both of those things. The dog ran into the street and the dog barked at the car. Therefore, we have two predicates, but only one subject. Again, because there is not a complete sentence before the conjunction and a complete sentence after the conjunction, we do not have a compound sentence. Let's try a few. I want you to choose which of the sentences below is a compound sentence. Click on the sentence you believe is a compound sentence.